Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Evans from HARE BONE in Fitzrovia, and I'm at the Cow Academy in London, joined by my beautiful model Purdy. So today I'll be doing a rich colour recharge, which is using Colorance Cover Plus, which is a grey coverage technique. For a bespoke colour service today, I'll be using Pure Pigments in my formula. So I'm working with a teardrop section. I'll be working with my deepest formula underneath and a lighter, more vibrant one through the top. So now I've applied my roots with Colorance Cover Plus, which gives me an amazing amount of shine and up to 75% grey coverage. I'm now going to colour balance through the ends with Colorance Core through here. My underneath section is a beautifully rich chocolate brown on a base level 4. Through my top teardrop section, this is also a really rich, beautiful chocolate brown on a 5 level. So both my formulas, I've incorporated Pure Pigments yellow and orange. So to recap, this is my beautiful model Purdy. We've done a rich colour recharge service with Colorance Cover Plus. I love this service as it gives me beautiful shine and a lovely youthful coverage.